Hello and welcome to another Total PT Fitness training session. Today we're going to show you how to create a fitness template. My name is Doug and I'll be taking you through your training today. A fitness template is essentially a group of exercises under one name. So it could be leg day or arm day or back day and so on. Creating fitness templates and using them can save you a lot of time because you can select with just a couple clicks of the mouse an entire exercise program for your client. So let's get right into it and show you how to do that. Exercise templates are essentially a group of exercises under one name. For example, arm day, leg day, back day, ab day, and so on. Templates can speed up the process of providing fitness programs to your clients. Initially, they do take some time to create, but in the long run, they will improve your efficiency. To create a template, go to the Settings, drop down to Exercise, choose Exercise Templates, click on the Add Template button, and give the template a name. We're going to call it Sample Arm Day, give it a description, and then under Template Notes is where you can put in a pre-made note to go to your client. Next, you'll choose a category. In this case, we're going to choose shoulder, although you could also choose elbow and wrist or multiple categories. Next, go to the Select tab, or you can choose the Next button. This will take you to a screen allowing you to search for exercises. If you haven't already watched the tutorial to show you how to create an exercise program and search for exercises, we would suggest that you do that first and come back and finish this tutorial. But for now, we're going to just grab a few sample exercises. So let's say that these 4 exercises were the exercises that we wanted to provide for arm day. The next step is to go to the Customize tab, or again, you can click on Next. Here you can decide whether you want a standard workout or a circuit. If it's a circuit workout, you can choose how many circuits. Down here under each exercise, you can set up the sets and reps. Reps can also be changed to minutes and seconds. Frequencies can be chosen from any of these options. You can also edit the instructions for the exercise. And you would do that for each of these exercises. When you've done that, you click on Done. And now you will have an exercise template. Let's show you how this works in real life. Let's go back to the Client tab. We'll choose our client. We'll drop down to the Exercise tab. We'll create an exercise program for this client. Now, instead of having to search for those 4 or 5 exercises or however many you've put in your template, you would simply click on Template Search, look for shoulder, search. We find Sample Arm Day. If you want to see what that contains, you can expand it. Otherwise, you simply select them. All 4 exercises go over directly. You can further customize by putting in weights, choosing English, Spanish, or French. Now you can name it. Here are the pre-made populated notes. And then we would simply go up to the Send button and send this program to the client. So you can see how simple and fast the process is when you use exercise templates. This concludes the tutorial. If you're a current customer of ours, we hope that this training has helped you become more efficient and proficient in using Total PT Fitness. If you are someone that's just watching this tutorial as part of our free 2-week trial, we do want to remind you that there is a discount coupon down below for 10% off should you decide to subscribe and enroll for our services. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you here on future training tutorials.